Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Hi, if you guys are new on this channel, I'm Tripti Bam and I make beauty content, travel videos and here and there lifestyle stuff. My hair has been through a journey since 2 years, so I thought of sharing you my hair routine and the story behind it. So starting in 2023, I was pretty much in a rough shape with my curls. I was just not satisfied because of the water here. It's really hard water. So मेरे हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो रहे थे एंड बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रहा था. हेयर फॉल का इशू मेरे को अभी भी है बट इट्स क्वाइट better than what it was back then. Managing my curls was really an issue that time, to be honest. Like I was just not able to like get my hands on it. So I started like blow drying every time I used to wash my hair, and that was literally damaging my hair to the core. इतना ज़्यादा कि मेरे को एक पॉइंट पे मेरे बालों से जब मैं ब्लो ड्राई कर रही थी मेरे को जलने वाली स्मेल आने लग गई थी. तो आई वॉज लाइक नो तृप्ति, दिस इज़ लाइक द हाई टाइम दैट यू हैव टू स्टॉप ब्लोइंग योर हेयर. सो दैट टाइम आई वॉज रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ स्ट्रेट हेयर. लाइक मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा ईजी लगता था कि बस उठे हो, तुम्हारे बाल ऑलरेडी फ्लॉलेस हैं, बस एक कोम कर लो एंड यू आर लाइक गुड टू गो for the entire day. So I thought of like getting my Botox hair done. That's when I decided to get my hair treatment done, either Botox or keratin. So when I did my research, I got to know that keratin is far harmful as compared to Botox. Botox still causes harm to your hair, but lesser compared to your keratin treatments, because keratin treatments में ऐसे chemicals होते हैं which really damages your hair quality, and उसके अंदर ऐसे fumes होते हैं which might, like if it goes into your body, it might cause cancer in later age. So that was a big no for me. So that's when I decided to go for Botox, because उसके अंदर fumes यूज़ नहीं होते हैं, normal chemicals यूज़ होते हैं, मतलब to like straighten your hair. And I heard that जो straight fall आता है केराटिन में वो एकदम ऐसे स्पाइकी फॉल होता है, and whereas in Botox it gives you a little natural flow to your hair basically. So that's when I was like, let's go for Botox treatment, and I got my Botox in 2023 August before my birthday. And to be honest, I was absolutely happy. The only fact that I regretted that time was I got my haircut done first and then got my Botox treatment done. So that's what I regret, because मेरे hair का जो flow था blowout है. जब मेरा Botox हो गया था, the haircut was just not sitting with my Botox treated hair. So that's where I was little disappointed with that. But on the other side, I was really happy with the fact that I was not blow drying my hair every day or like alternative day. It was really a plus sign of Botox. But and it was really easy for me to like just pin it up, just comb my hair and just go off. So I was really happy about that. It was like a blessing to me that time. But जैसे जैसे टाइम थोड़ा बढ़ता गया and I started growing back my natural hair and Botox थोड़ा सा नीचे आने लग गया था, that's when I was like, oh my god, this is disaster, because not happening. People who have straight hair to like less wavy hair towards your roots, I would say Botox is still a good option for them. But for people who have curly hair, coarse curly hair, मतलब I don't like the stage where your curls are coming back and you have straight down here. So मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस से I was just like growing out my hair for the entire year. Last year तक वो बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे तक आ गए थे. That's when I was like, okay, now I can go back to my curls. Last year दिवाली पे I thought of like going back to my curls. I was like literally manifesting my curls back. Even last year के vision board पे मैंने अपने curls अननोइंगली अनइंटेंशनली मैंने ऐसे कर्ल्स वाला पिक्चर लगाया था कि लाइक आई वॉन्ट माई कर्ल्स बैक, एंड थैंकफुली यूनिवर्स लेट मी टू दैट. सो इवन दो मेरे कर्ल्स, मेरे स्ट्रेट हेयर अभी भी थे, आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक ट्राइंग टू क्रंच माई कर्ल्स टूवर्ड्स माई रूट्स. यहाँ तक जितने ग्रो हुए थे मेरे, आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक making them understand their natural state of texture. In December I got my haircut done again, so I can say कि मेरा 95% Botox hair treated, almost it's gone. It's just like ये जो ends रह गए हैं यहाँ पे, it just, so my hair are still getting to understand their natural texture. So last time when I washed my hair, I didn't blow dry my hair or like did my curly hair routine. I just let them be, like no products at all. So that's how it looks, and it's like day 3 now. Today I thought of like sharing you my curly hair routine. It takes time, but the end result is so amazing, and I'm so happy that it's getting back. So first thing first, I have started oiling my hair again. Going back to oiling my hair was also like a process to learn, because my skin is super sensitive to oil and creams basically. अगर वो टच भी हो जाता है तो मेरे को एक्ने आ जाते हैं. Like it is that sensitive to oil and creams. What I have realized it, oiling my hair overnight does not do good to my scalp and my skin. But I always oil my hair with Indivile. This is like the best lightweight, non-greasy, Ayurvedic with amazing natural Ayurvedic fragrance जो बचपन की याद दिला देती हैं. And this is super effective. I just apply it for like 30 minutes and keep it, and then I wash my hair. So let's oil. So I just section like that only, nothing too fancy. Take one dropper, that much, and just start dropping. I avoid touching the dropper to my scalp. So once it's done, I'll just massage it like that. And then I'll just tie this in a bun. And leave this for 30 minutes. I am out of shower, and now it's time to style my hair, my curls. I haven't done my skincare because, as I told you guys, can see my hair is wet, but I need it to be like drenched, soaked wet. That I have this spray, and it is so nice, so convenient. So I just spray it all over. It's drenched wet. So once that's done, I will section my hair. Now the first step is using some leave-in conditioner or cream I prefer using this leave-in conditioner by Arata. This is super cheap and very easily available on Amazon, Nykaa, Blinkit, Instamart, I think. So it's really very handy. That much, and just start applying like that. During this process आपके बहुत बाल झड़ सकते हैं, like this. If you guys can see, we fine with curly hair because we tend to not comb our hair every day. So काफ़ी सारे normal hair fall तो हर किसी का होता ही है. So that tends to get collected, and once you comb during your hair wash days, तो उस टाइम पे अगर हम लोग ज़्यादा देख लेते हैं तो we panic. so you should not panic until and unless it's a lot. So after that I use this amazing bomb bouncy curly comb. Every curly girl should have this comb. It is amazing, amazing. So I'll start taking one strand and comb it like this. And let it bounce and be curly on its own. Know your curls, like you really need to understand like what kind of curls you have. Like mine is 2C3A kind of curls, like it's curly and it's wavy both. So it's like in between the very curly ones and the super wavy ones. So once you do that, you crunch your hair. Moving on to our next section. Repeat the entire process. This comb really helps in defining your curls. I have seen the difference with doing it and without doing it. So once the leave-in conditioner thing is done, I will use this hair gel by Arata. This one really has good hold. I really like it. We'll just take this much on our entire hand, flip the hair over, crunch it everywhere. So gel helps to hold on the curls really tightly and to make it more powerful. I use this Taft Shostroff Power 5 Mousse. This is absolute favorite. This gives me such good holds to my curl. Moreover, it gives me that amazing volume around my crown area. So I really like this. So once that's done, it's time to diffuse, and this is like the best part of my entire routine. I really love to see those curls coming into shape. This attachment, this is the diffuser which I use and it fits really well with Dyson. ये Dyson के साथ नहीं आता है, so I bought this separately. This has these nozzles which blows air according to your pressure. So let's attach this. This is the weapon. So firstly, I'll just hover this thing on my curls to like let it dry. Then I will like scrunch it up with it. So that's how my curls look. We still have that gel cast in it. So because of that, it's looking like this, like थोड़ा tight और like ऐसे weird सा ऐसे texture देते हैं. So to cut off that gel cast, we will use this serum by Tresemme. This is absolute gold, very affordable, available on Nykaa. So I'll take 3 pumps, just apply it like that. So before applying serum, just make sure that your entire hair is dry. मतलब गीले नहीं होने चाहिए. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा फिर भी चलेगा. And have that amazing shine to it because of the serum. So apart from this, what else I do is I use this Ordinary hair care serum. Quite expensive, but this works really well. It's not greasy at all, and you guys can like apply this every day. This really helps with hair density, so I just apply it like that and just give it nice massage. It has very thin consistency, which makes it very lightweight and non-greasy. Apart from all this routine, to make it stay for like couple of days, you can either use the silk satin, or like you guys can use silk bonnets or silk pillow covers. These things really help you to maintain your curls and scalp and the quality of your hair. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, give this a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, and let me know like if you guys want to see my nighttime hair routine, like how I do my hair. So yeah, until next video, bye.